In an unexpected twist of history, a dusty basement in upstate New York harbored a hidden treasure that has revolutionized the way we communicate today. Meet the MingKwai typewriter, an intriguing piece of technology patented in 1946, yet its concepts are still shaping how we type Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Discovered just last year, this long-lost artifact offers us a unique glimpse into the ingenuity of early 20th century inventors who tackled the daunting challenge of typing thousands of characters efficiently. Unlike the familiar QWERTY keyboard that caters to the 26 letters of the English alphabet, the MingKwai typewriter boasted a complicated array of levers and keys designed to manage the intricacies of East Asian languages. This innovation laid the groundwork for the complex input methods we still use today in digital devices. Ever wonder how your smartphone or computer can so seamlessly handle multiple languages? It all harkens back to these pioneering mechanisms that transformed mere mechanical parts into a digital revolution. Stay tuned to uncover more hidden gems that tip the scale of history. Like and follow for more news.